Welcome to our tutorial on the type function in Python programming. In today's video, we're going to dive into the type function in Python. Before I begin, please take action now. Subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. What is a type function? In Python, the type function is a built-in function that allows you to determine the data type of an object or variable. It returns the type of the object as a value of the built-in type. Here, we have some examples here. If we assign 100 to the variable integer underscore number, and we want to find the type of this variable, Python will return us the integer data type. If we assign this number to float underscore number, and we want to find the type of float underscore number, the class, the type that will be returned is a float, because this is a number with decimal places. If we say text1 equals to computer, and then we print as Python to print out the type, the data type for us for this variable that has the value of computer, Python will give us a string because computer is a text or a string or a word. So let's go ahead and look at these codes in the Python interpreter. So I have already typed in all the codes here, and I'm just going to run it. And you will see integer underscore number equals to 100. The class should be an integer, and sure enough, Python says it is an integer because 100 is a number without decimal places, so it's an integer. The next one, lines 4 and 5, it will print the class of float because, as I mentioned before, 100.568 is a number with decimal places, so it's a float. And so Python will print the data type float here. And then lines 7 and 8, computer is assigned to text1 when we want to find out what's the data type for text1, which holds the text computer, the class will be a string. So the data type will be a string. In summary, the type function can be useful in scenarios where you need to perform specific operations or validations based on the data type of an object. It allows you to dynamically handle different data types within your program. It's important to note that the type function returns the actual data type of an object, which is represented as a type object. The return type object can be used for comparison or further manipulation if needed. Thank you for joining us today. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and click the like button for more videos about Python. Come back and join us again. Until then, happy coding!